Hi folks, thank you for watching Chef Dato's table. Today's a Spain. Oh my gosh, Barcelona. I remember when I was little, Barcelona and Georgia, they were playing soccer together. It was 12 o'clock at night, and of course sleep time was gone. My father was screaming at me to go to sleep, but I sneaked behind it and I watched the whole game. My father saw me how I watched it, but he never said anything because Georgia won. I'm making empanada right now. Nick, you like empanada?
Yes, I do.
It's a beautiful chorizo sausage with lots of cheese, Nick, and lots of chicken, cilantro. I wanted to make paella this morning for you folks, but paella, the type of item, when you make it, you have to eat it. Cannot wait too much, too long. This one, Nick, I can make it for you. If you don't like to eat it, you can eat an hour later. But we do lots of tapas. What did you say, Dave?
Just give it to us, we'll eat it.
Oh yeah, really?
Viva España!
There you go. David starts speaking, Mikey. David's talking, Mike. That's David Wardilla. He just bought the house. Such a great news. Such a great news. He's an owner. Owner of house. I think that's a great. What's going on? We have a Santa breakfast for Santa with Santa Sunday, and Santa's here too somewhere, but I cannot tell you. We're hiding him in a big freezer, Santa. And Saturday we have a gift wrapping party. Thank you very much, folks, for coming and supporting us. Thank you for your comments. Those comments are changing lots of it in my restaurant. We had some kind of weird comment the other day about my dining room, but I cannot do too much of it. It is what it is. You like it or not. I love it. People love it. We're working on things. We're changing lots of things, and your input helps us to look at this, Nick. Oh my! Your empanadas, and you have a tortilla soup today. Spanish tortilla soup with mushrooms, chicken. We have lots of tapas. We have a beautiful lamb. We have a beef tips with chorizo sausage. Oh, we have a pie. Okay, we have a beef New York strip. We have with chorizo and español sauce with the gazpacho sauce on. There's lots of excitement. Definitely Spain, not born cuisine. It is very nice and tasty. I know, Nick. Lots of smoke, huh? God bless you. Okay, this is your lunch, Nick, right here. Yeah, chorizo sausage. What makes chorizo? Andouille and chorizo very, very similar. French and Spain and Spanish. Spanish paprika, Spanish spices makes chorizo different. It's nothing. It's the same sausage as Italian sausage. It makes difference between hot Italian and sweet Italian. It's a spice mix. Paprika, well known in Spain. Spanish paprika is a top-notch. Hungarians good too, but Spanish is a very good paprika, and they are proud with their paprika and making most things with the paprika. I recommend highly this beautiful. Oh my gosh, Nico, this beautiful item with your soup here, right there, Nick. Oh my, God bless you, Nick. Eat and enjoy, buddy. Thank you for watching Chef Dato's Table. Please come support, read, email it to us.